Hi friends, welcome to Pranav Kids channel. Today we are discussing about computer. What is computer? The computer is an electronic device that accepts data, performs operations on that data, presents the rules, results, and stores the data or results as needed and give you desired result. It performs four primary operations: input, processing, output, storage. What is input? Input devices are used to get data into a system. They should be able to do this as accurately and quickly possible and with the minimum of human intervention. These are input devices. There are mouse, keyboard, scanner, microphone, light pen, joystick, OCR, trackball, barcode scanner. Output devices. Output means result or the processed form of anything. Output is the processed form of input. Computer also provides us output of the data which we enter in it after processing. Output is the result of input. These are output devices. There are webcam, speakers, microphone, monitor, printer, headphones. Processing device. A computer is termed as data processing machine which accepts data and then stores or processes data immediately and display the output for the user. These are processing devices. There are motherboard, RAM, power supply, processor, VGA card and casing. Next, secondary storage devices. A secondary storage device refers to any volatile storage device that is internal or external to the computer. It can be any storage device beyond the primary storage that enables permanent data storage. A secondary storage device is also known as an auxiliary storage device or external storage. Memory card, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, optical disks. These are storage devices. Introduction of computers. Many people believe that knowing how to use computer is one of the basic skills needed to success in the workplace. In order to use the computer, it is necessary to understand how the computer works. Data. Data is a collection of facts, figures, and statistics related to an object data can be processed to create useful information. Data is a valuable asset for an organization. Data can use by the managers to perform effective and successful operations of management. It provides a view of past activities related to the rise and fall of an organization. It also enables the user to make better decisions for future. Data is very useful for generating reports, graphs, and statistics. Example: students fill an admission form when they get admission in college. The form consists of raw facts about the student. These raw facts are student's name, father's name, address, etc. The purpose of collecting this data is to maintain the record of the students during their study period. Information. The manipulated and processed form of data is called information. It is more meaningful than data. It is used for making decisions. Data is used as input for processing, and information is used as processing of this output of this processing. Example: data collected from census is used to generate the different type of information. The government can use it to determine the literacy rate in the country. Government can use information in important decisions to improve literacy rate. These are advantages of computer. There are easy processing of complex tasks. It saves time by quick manipulation of data is compared to when done manually. The errors in data processing are minimized when a computer used. It has helped in making communication easier by using internet. It stores, retrieves, and processes a large amount of data. It helps in multitasking of various jobs. These are disadvantages of computer. There are unemployment, cybercrime. Computer can perform and only what is it programmed to do. Computer need well-defined instructions to perform any operation. Computer system. Computer is an electronic machine that is used to solve different kinds of problems according to a set of instructions given to it. Computer consists of different units that perform various functions. All the operations of the computer are controlled by the program instructions. These program instructions are known as software. A system is a group of related components that makes up a body to perform a specific function. Therefore, computer system is defined as the computer along with various units and software that performs different activities in data processing are collectively known a computer system. A computer system is divided into two subject systems. There are computer software, computer hardware. Please subscribe to Pranav Kids channel. Thank you.